Monday, October 14. The series of reports will be opened by U.S. financial services company Charles Schwab Corp. With a high probability, its income will remain at the same level of $4.69 billion. One paper of the firm is quoted at $63.91. Next up will be Investment Corporation Equity Lifestyle Properties Inc. It is promised a decrease in yield from $380.2 million to $334.81 million. Each asset is worth $70.17 on the New York Stock Exchange. Tuesday, October 15. A day later, Johnson & Johnson, the U.S. pharmaceutical firm, will take the floor. Analysts were skeptical about the earnings figure and predicted a decline from $22.45 billion to $22.34 billion. Shares are trading at $162 apiece. LVMH Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, a luxury goods brand holding company, will report. There are great chances of revenue growth from €22.77 billion to €23.18 billion. One paper is worth €652.90. Wednesday, October 16. At the equator will be electric car maker Tesla Inc., which is likely to drop revenues from $25.5 billion to $24.33 billion. The assets are trading at $258.02 per unit on the Nasdaq. Morgan Stanley, an investment banking institution, will also report midweek. Here the trend is leaning toward a revenue decline from $15 billion to $14.32 billion. In New York, shares are selling for $104.42 each. Thursday, October 17. Streaming media company Netflix Inc. will show results the next day. Specialists were negative about the profitability and forecast a drop from $9.56 billion to $9.53 billion. The price of one security is $706.13. Then Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, a Taiwanese semiconductor company, will show results. Experts predict a decline in its revenue from $20.82 billion to $20.16 billion. The asset price is set at $172.07 apiece. Friday, October 18. Before the weekend, we'll share the achievements of the European automobile concern Volvo. The giant's revenue value is likely to fall from 140.2 billion Swedish krona to 133.8 billion krona. Volvo shares are valued at 268 krona per unit. Procter Company, the consumer goods maker, will complete the reporting marathon. It is promised to build up its revenue from $20.53 billion to $20.73 billion. The papers reached a price of $173.04 each.